today I'm gonna be making Mighty Eagle designed by Foldable Flight. Well, I don't think it's designed by Foldable Flight, but some guy, he was the winner of some kind of glider thing, so yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make it. It's pretty much an indoor, it doesn't want like a house. I mean, it could work in a house, but I think I would go to like a basketball court where it's empty and throw it because it glides really good. So first step, you want to fold it in half. And you can use normal paper, like white paper, printed paper, and printed colored paper. And I don't think you should use color paper because, you look at it first and then do this on the side. This is definitely colored paper. God. And then what you want to do, unfold it, fold the two corners to the center. Should have this. Then you want to fold it down. But first you want to see how much. Like this. Then you fold the two corners just like this. Then you should have this. And then fold it down until it's like this, and then you want to fold the tip probably 1/4 of an inch over. It doesn't have to be exact. Then you want to fold it in half, just like this, all these. Fold it to the side, fold the wings, make the other side match. And then what a lot of YouTubers do is whenever they make the wings, they're gonna flip it over like this and make the two wing sides. And then you should have this. Well, this is a yes or no. You can bring this up, and you'll have this crease right here, crease up there. You'll have this crease right here. You can fold the bottom up to there, and then you open up the plane, and then you should be able to push it and then pull it out. But I think I would just keep it like this. Yeah, just keep it like, if you want to, you can keep it like that. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.